Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Bart Khazibi, December 20th, 2023, Ramson's Beach, Bayville, Long Island, New York, USA. Look at my birds. I bring for the children cupcake, bagel, and also taquitos. And look, they're already flying all over. And now I'm going to give them the food. Hopefully they'll be all done. They're flying over me, you can see. And that's the cupcake for them, the sweet dessert. Today, Daddy Irfan, sister Catherine, and brother Kaiser, they donate the food and I'm just giving them. Thank you so much. Happy holidays. Bye. Now I'm just feeling like to sing that song. Gram chhara oi ranga matir pot amay amar mon bhulai re. Gram chhara oi ranga matir pot amay ওরে কার পানে তুই হাত বাড়িয়ে লুটিয়ে দি ধুলাই রে আমার মন ভুলাই রে গ্রাম ছাড়া ওই রাঙা মাটির পথ আমার মন ভুলাই রে Bye my children, thank you. And now highway, they're fighting. Okay, ciao ciao ciao. Bye now.